Que la que hay, mi gente? Yeah. I'm actually behind me are the steps to Classico, but since they've been closed and Merengue reopened, they kind of set up this little I don't know, little outside I don't want to say VIP, just a little chill spot here, you know, with the little couch, with the little chairs here on the side in front of me. So out on the street midweek, and hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for those that have. Still trying to climb to 1,000. So something I heard that kind of I'm trying to observe and figure out if that's true today or not. So I was at breakfast this morning when an expat that's lived here a long time said basically that there's more Haitians here now than Dominicans. Talking about ladies. I didn't really think about it a lot before, but he may be right. You know, or at least on the streets, there's more. Granted, to me, depending on where you're at exactly, you know, depends on sort of the ratio. However, he may be right. You know, keep in mind there's still a lot of Dominicans in the nearby areas that, you know, they're using Tinder, Cupid, Facebook, Instagram. You know, they're coming out upon call only. You know, and they're not pounding the pavement as hard necessarily. You know, there's still those that, you know, I guess, you know, Envy is still mostly Dominican. Some of the other hotels, those hang out, mostly Dominican. So I think the ratio, it's kind of hard to tell. Maybe just the straight up, everyday middle of the week streetwalkers, maybe more Haitian. So it just makes me think of Boca Chica in that sense. So we'll see. Try to stop and press forward again whenever, like, looks like so many dudes compared to the ratio of girls are nearby. Just because I don't really want dudes in my footage when I'm looking at contractors, ducks, seagulls, and mangoes. Ducks, seagulls, mangoes, and birds. Carmelo explained the driving concept. Whether you right or wrong, it's like first come, first serve to that spot. It's not like who, you know, this guy looks like he's gonna turn or cut in front. So you just let them do that. He say it's first come, first serve to who gets there. So if you slow, but going that way, it don't matter. Don't do drugs. Little information. So, if you think you got a slightly freaky looking San Domingo gangster gangster chick leaving with you late from the casino, chances are she like the berico, patilla y berico. Sí, soy estúpido. I'm just saying. Yo quiero de tu famosa. Ay, ay, ay. No respeta ella. You don't want to head down Jabalí bar for one? Oh, okay. ¿Qué es lo que tú dices? Los amores bailando en la disco, en Santo Domingo, Santiago, Puerto Plata, sin dormido.